Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for your daily dose of sugar.
Hi guys, this is Sohini Chanda and today I'm going to create this beautiful glam look, and I will also share how I contour my face. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start off with my base, and the first thing I'm using is a primer, and this is the Aquaholic Priming Moisturizer. It is a very good priming moisturizer and I'm going to apply this all over my face. Next up, I'm going to use the SUGAR Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade 01 Gold Digging, and I'm also going to apply this all over my face. You can use it on the highest points, but I love using this all over my face. Now, as I do have little bit of scars from acne and the cut I got recently, I'm going to color correct, and for that I'm using the face forward stick in the shade Peach. For my foundation, I'm using the Ace of Base foundation stick. This is a very good high coverage foundation stick, and the shade I'm using is 35 Frappe. Now this shade matches me perfectly and I'm using a beauty blender to blend out the shade. Alright, it's time for contour and highlight, and the product I will be using for my contour is the face forward stick in the shade 01. Now what you have to do is just follow the shadows of your own face shape. I am going to apply the contour on my cheekbones. Now just make it little upward as you want to lift your face and make it more chiseled. Now I'm also going to apply this on my jawline to define my jaw, and lastly I will also apply it on my forehead and also on my nose to make it more sharp. Now to highlight my face, I'm using the Sugar Magic Wand Concealer in the shade number 30. I am going to apply this on my under eyes, forehead, chin, cupid's bow, nose and also under my cheekbones. To blend further, you can use a brush or a sponge. I love using a sponge because it gives more natural finish. Now to bake my face, I'm using the Sugar Translucent Powder in the shade Banana. I'm going to bake my under eyes, nose, around my mouth and under my cheekbones. Now I am going to let it sit for a few minutes and I'm going to do my brows off camera. After that, I am going to dust off all the baking powder I have on my face with a powder brush. Next, I'm going to use this Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in the shade 02 Woody Wonder, and I'm going to apply this on my cheekbones as well as on my jaw, forehead and my nose. And for my blush, I'm using the shade Salmon Superstar, and it's a beautiful blush, you guys. I absolutely love this one. Now I'm going to set my face using the setting spray. This is the highlighter one, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face and let it sit for a few minutes. Next, I'm going to use this jelly highlighter in the shade 01, which is gold, and it's a beautiful highlighter, you guys. I am going to apply this all over my highest points of my face. It's time for my eye makeup, and I'm using the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade Flawless, and I'm going to take this shade on my crease with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to blend it very nicely as a transition shade. Next up, I'm going to take this beautiful rusty orange shade and I'm going to apply this all over my crease again with a small blending brush, and I'm just going to blend it very nicely. Now I'm going to use the Sugar Eyes and Shine Shadow Crayon in the shade 07 Turquoise, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid, and with a blending brush I'm just going to blend it on my crease. Now to finish off the eye makeup, I am going to use a mascara here, and I'm also going to top it off with a falsies. And finally, for my lipstick, I'm using the Matte as Hell Lip Crayon in the shade 19 Emma Woodhouse, and I am going to top it off with the same burnt orange shade from the shadow palette. So with that, I am going to finish off this look. I hope you guys like it, and let me know in the comment section below if you guys like it or not, and give this video a big thumbs up. I hope to see you guys very soon. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye.
Oh wait, while you are at it, don't forget to participate in our contest. Head on to the video that you're seeing on screen right now, answer a simple question over there, and you will get a chance to win some exciting sugar products. Good luck!